Hello everyone, welcome back to Career Sim. Today we are going to share Cognizant technical assessment questions. In this, we will be covering coding questions with approach, SQL queries that they are asking, and web technology based questions. This is the very crucial step because you have to clear the assessment to get the interview mail. So we will be sharing assessment questions that you can prepare before going to the technical assessment. And these all the questions are based on 16th April technical assessment. So let's get started. So the first question is fuel consumption calculation. You can see you have to write a program to calculate the fuel consumption of a truck. The program should ask the user to enter the quantity of diesel to fill up the tank and the distance covered till the tank goes dry. Calculate the fuel consumption and display it in the format liters per 100 kilometers. Convert the same result to the US style of miles per gallon and display the result. If the quantity or distance is zero or negative, display is a invalid input. So this is the question, you have to solve it. So I will be telling you the approach. So you can see that first take diesel quantity and distance as input and validate them. If invalid, display an error message. If invalid, calculate liters per. If valid, calculate the liters per 100 kilometer using quantity divided by distance into 100. Then convert distance to miles and diesel to gallons to find the miles per gallon and display both results at the same time. You can see the next question is factor finder. You have to write a program to find the factors of the given number. They will be giving you the number, so you have to find it. Approach is very simple. You have to take an integer as an input from the user, and if the number is zero, display no factors, and if negative, ignore the sign by taking the absolute value. Then find and print all the numbers that divide the given number exactly without a remainder. So this is the question, and it's the easy one. So let's move to the next question is ticket booking discount. You can see this question that developed a program to find a total cost of ticket based on a discount scheme. There is a 10% discount on the total cost of ticket when there is a bulk booking of more than 20 tickets at a discount of 2%. So you can see the question. Question will be tough during the assessment and you have to solve it by using your mind. Now, let's move to the next question. Like solar system moons calculation. Determine the maximum number of moon in any solar system. And there are n suns in a galaxy. Each sun has m planets. Each of the m planets have some more number of moons. You have to read the question first, what they are asking, what you need to solve. By understanding then, try using any approach and solve the questions. Array transformation question. We will be moving forward to the next question. I will be sharing this PDF in my Telegram channel so you can go and check the pinned message. You will be finding this email, this PDF, so you can download it and try solving the questions. Sequence greatness, empty subarrays. You have to give in a given array, find the number of empty subarray present in an array, and empty subarray is defined as a non-empty array whose sum is zero. Now, spare balls questions, attacking forts, class representative, and deciphering encrypted code. So these are the code that you should know that how they are asking the question. Now, technical assessment SQL queries. So these are the repeated queries. So you should try solving this. Like what is the SQL command to create a table named employees with columns for employee ID, name, and salary? This is the important question, so you have to read it and solve it because in the interview they are asking the same question. Now, how would you write an SQL query to select all employees with a salary greater than $50,000? Write an SQL query to find the average salary of employees in the employees table. What SQL command is used to add a new column named department to the employees table? How would you write an SQL query to delete an employee with employee ID 100 from employees table? Now, second, Write an SQL to find the maximum salary in the employees table. What is the SQL command to update the salary of employees with employee ID 101 to $60,000? So these are the questions they are asking in the SQL part. So you have to solve the query within the time, and also you have to practice this for your interview also. They will be asking the similar questions in your interview. So you have to prepare well, and you can see the next questions are here. How would you write an SQL query to select all employees whose name start with the letter J? Write an SQL query to find the minimum salary in the employees. And most important question is write the SQL query to find the maximum salary of the employees and the second largest salary. This is the two main important question. Now, what is the SQL command to add primary key constraint to the employee ID column in the employees table? Write a SQL query to find the total salary of employees in the employees table. Now, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript based question, which is web technology based questions. These are all very important, so you must watch this video till the end. The first thing is given a set of HTML elements, write the code to structure a simple web page with header, main content, area, and footer. So you have to create a basic HTML structure. Now, second question, apply CSS to style a web page such that the header has a background color and main content area has padding and the footer is at the bottom of the page. Now, in JavaScript functionality, write a JavaScript function to toggle the visibility of a web page element when a button is clicked. And for responsive, use media query to ensure a web page layout is responsive and adjust properties for different screen size. And here are the same questions. You will be getting this PDF in our Telegram channel. So join it and get this PDF and prepare for your upcoming assessment. Thanks for watching this video.